Hey guys, Czar here. Good morning to you. Happy Monday. Hope you had an amazing weekend. It is Monday, November 11th, 2024. It's Veterans Day in the US and Remembrance Day, I believe, in Canada. So today we honor the soldiers and military personnel, men and women who bravely served Canada and the US, sometimes at the same time. Today is a bank holiday. It is also a bond market holiday, but the stock market is open. There's a high chance I won't trade today, given that we likely have very thin volumes here today. But here's the daily frame, guys. The bull market, the rampaging bull market continues. Another up day so far on both the ES and the NASDAQ, and bullish bodies for now, but pulling back here a little bit. You can see those top wicks here in the pre-market. Let's take a look at the two sisters, shall we? The 1 minute chart before the open. We're about 1 minute away from the open, by the way. We're kind of just hanging around, view up here, just below on the NASDAQ. And here is my trading grid. There's the daily with that update that I mentioned. And this is the NASDAQ chart, of course. And the 30-minute rangy chart from Asia started at around 8 p.m. last night. Of course, the futures open at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, New York time. And then it's kind of grinding around here, a little bit up and down. This range is not huge. Let's take a look at it, shall we? Yeah, it's probably about 75 points here on the NASDAQ for the entire high to low range of Asia and the UK. All right, guys, we're open. Not much happening here. You can see the first candle is done. The 1 minute open range is set on the NASDAQ and the S&P. Going to be very patient here and likely won't even take a trade here today, but who knows? Anything's possible. So we have this up day and slightly bullish body on the daily. We have a rangy 30-minute pulling back, kind of in retracement right now, but in the range, right? Nothing really going on. And dead center of the 1 minute open range here on the 1 minute chart. All right, guys, just dropping down below here on the NASDAQ. I'm not touching this. You can see that we are at this zone from Asia and the UK. So we have a bullish bias on the daily. We have a range-bound 30. I likely won't be interested in doing anything here if we are inside of this 30-minute range. So as long as we're there, nothing for me to do. All right, guys, rejecting a little bit here on the daily and perhaps looking to make another attempt at breaking down here into this range if we break below the low of the day. It's just a marker, not doing anything yet. All right, sell stop order, guys. Sell stop order. Here we go. And I'm in. I am in, guys. Just looking at another screen. Okay, we're good. Short the NASDAQ here, guys. Stop above the high of the day, of course, the top of the open range as well. If I get the chance, guys, I'll likely move my stop dynamically. We'll see. All right, guys, stop the break even here at the 75% mark right there. Lock in is sure no lose. If I get stopped out, I'll keep the video going so we can see if that was a resourceful decision in hindsight. But for now, break even. And there it is, guys. Very simple trade. Rejecting daily back into Friday's range, breaking down below, so a zone break here, not textbook because there was no closing 30-minute candle, but a second attempt down. There was the first, back into open range, break down below, session low, 9 below 21, both EMAs dropping on a rejecting daily. Thanks for being here, guys. Have an amazing day. Appreciate you. Talk soon.